Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In today's video we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is 4 raised to power t into 4 raised to power t equals 400. You have to find the value of t. So we will solve this question. First of all, we can write if a raised to power m into a raised to power n, both the bases are same, then the powers are added. It's mean a raised to power m plus n. Similarly, we will apply this here. So 4 raised to power t into 4 raised to power t becomes t plus t. That equals 400. So t plus t will be 4 raised to power 2t equals 400. Now we will take log on both sides. So log of 4 raised to power 2t equals log of 400. Now according to log rule, log a raised to power b means b is in the start, log of a. So this power 2t will be in the start, so 2t into log of 4 equals log 4. We can write this as log 4 multiply 4 can be multiplied as and 4 then into 25. So then we will write this in the addition form. So this will equals log 4 plus log 4 plus log 25, and here is 2t and this is divided by log of 4. Now this will become log of 4 plus log of 4. So log 4 divided by log of 4 plus log 4 divided by log of 4 plus log of 25 divided by log of 4. So this and this are cancel out and we have remaining is 2t equals 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus log 25 by log of 4. Now 25 is the 5 square. So 2t equals 2 plus log of 5 square divided by log of 4. Now 2 is in the start. We get 2t equals 2 plus 2 log of 5 divided by log of 4. Now we will apply the change base rule on this. So we get the value of t will be 2t equals 2 plus 2 log of bases 4 and 5. Now have to find the t value. So 2 plus 2 log bases 4, 5 will be divided by 2. So we get t equals 1 plus log bases 4 and 5. Now we will do the verification. Write the value of t 1 plus log bases 4 and 5. So we have log of t plus t is 2t. Now substitute the value of t, that is 1 plus log bases 4 and 5. This is log 4 2 into 1 is 2. When this is added it will multiply. So 2 into log of 4 and 5. Now this 2 is in the power form. So 4 square is 16. We will write its value. And then 4 log base is 4. 5 square is 25. So this will be 16 multiplied 25. That equals 400. That is the right hand side. So by taking left hand side we have proved equal right hand side. So this is the answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.